4241 Heavy, McConnell is 9 miles southeast.
Yes, sir. We just landed at the other airport. Good evening, McConnell Tower, Giant 4241 Heavy is on the GPS, RNAV GPS approach 19 left.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower, check those down, runway 19 left, wind 140 at forward, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 19 left, wheels down, Giant 4241 Heavy.
Giant 4241 Heavy, check those down.
Giant 1441, go ahead.
Giant 4241 Heavy, check those down and expect midfield turn off, that's for Delta.
Giant 4241, we might, we'll get back to you here momentarily, we're not on your approach.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell is 9 miles southeast.
Yes, sir, we just landed at the other airport. And McConnell, Giant 4241.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower.
Apparently, we've landed at BEC.
Giant 4241 Heavy, verify you are on the ground at Beach Airport.
We think so.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell supervisor, verify you are full stop, landed and stopped at BEC Airport.
Affirmative.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower, are you able to make an approach correction departure off that airport and back in the air to McConnell?
And we're working on those details now, sir.
Roger.
And McConnell Tower, Giant 4241.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower.
Yes, sir. Is there a tower frequency here for beach?
Giant 4241 Heavy, beach tower is actually closed at this time. It's on the end.
Okay, is there a Unicom frequency?
Giant 4241 Heavy, stand by.
And one more thing. Do you have the coordinates for this for the airport?
Giant 4241 Heavy, stand by on that.
Okay, thanks.
Giant 4241 Heavy, have the coordinates 530 southeast.
Ready to go. Okay, go ahead.
Beach is Kilo Bravo Echo Charlie, north 37 degrees, 41.64, west 97 degrees, 12.90, outside.
Okay, let me read those back. North 374164.
Affirmative.
Okay, and then east 92129
west 97 degrees, 12.90.
Sorry about that, I couldn't read my handwriting. West 9212.90.
West 90712-90.
Okay, 90712.90. Alright, here's the coordinates we're showing currently for us. North 3744.4, west 09713.3.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger, stand by. Giant 4241 Heavy, can you confirm, did you do a circle around the airport and then land, or did you make a straight in?
Straight in, sir.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger. Giant 4241 Heavy, can you say your coordinates again? Giant 4241 Heavy, can you confirm, did you do a circle around the airport and then land, or did you make a straight in?
Straight in, sir.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger. Giant 4241 Heavy, can you say your coordinates again?
Alright, currently we're showing north 3744.4, west 09713.3. We've got some gentlemen there outside the aircraft now.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger.
And do you have a frequency by chance?
Giant 4241 Heavy, from the target we saw on the radar scope, you were over top, well, the target was over top of Jabara Airport, which is approximately 8 miles north of McConnell Airport. Unicom frequency is 122.7. Say again, 122.7.
Alright, this gentleman is giving us the frequency. We're going to try it on 1227 as well. And McConnell Tower, Giant 4241.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower.
Yes, sir. We're in contact with the company right now. We're getting analyzed for performance status.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger. Giant 4241 Heavy, and confirm you know which airport you're at.
Well, we think we have a pretty good pulse. Let me ask you this, how many airports directly to the south of 19 your 19 are there?
Giant 4241 Heavy, you're currently north of McConnell, and there's 3 along the Conway coast.
I'm sorry, I meant north. I'm sorry, I'm looking at something else. We're showing about 6 miles north of you. Copy, 6 miles north.
Giant 4241 Heavy, affirmative. Right now we still trying to figure it out.
Okay, thanks. We just had a twin-engine aircraft, turboprop aircraft, go over the top of it.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger. You appears that you're at Jabara.
Say again.
Giant 4241 Heavy, we saw the plane on the radar, and it appears that you are at Jabara Airport.
Say the name of it again.
Jabara?
Jabara.
Giant 4241 Heavy, that's J-A-B-A-R-R-A.
Okay, alright, we'll copy that. Okay, and we also show that we're just short of, about a mile short of Warren now.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger, yes, that's Jabara.
And McConnell Tower, Giant 4241.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower.
Yes, sir, it looks like we do confirm that it is Jabara.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger. And Giant 4241 Heavy, same intention?
We're talking to the company now. We're trying to assess our performance situation as far as being able to leave this airport and come to you.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger. Just keep us advised. We have a tanker 1 mile final.
Okay, yeah, we will not take off without clearance through you as well.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger.
McConnell Tower, Turbo 72 is 10 miles out on the RNAV GPS, looking for option tower.
Turbo 72 Heavy, McConnell Tower, roger. Report final code 6, only 199.
Turbo 72.
McConnell Tower, Giant 4241.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower.
Giant 4241, do you have a 3-letter identifier for Jabara?
Giant 4241 Heavy is Alpha Oscar. Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower. Can you confirm, are you on the runway?
Affirmative, and I am on the Unicom frequency as well, talking to local traffic. We're trying to, assess our situation as far as clearing the runways this time.
Giant 4241 Heavy, roger.
Turbo 72 Heavy, McConnell, watch supervisor. We currently have a situation at Jabara Airport. We'll let you do practice approach for now. We may need you to full stop based on the conditions at the airport.
And Rider Turbo 72 copies, let us know.